See this plain white t-shirt? It's about to become bold, colorful, wearable art. And you can make it right at home. The secret? Sublimation ink. Hello everybody, Jennifer Maker here. Today, let's learn how to turn simple designs into bright, lasting sublimation shirts that you'll be proud to wear, gift, or sell. Now, I know sublimation can seem a little confusing at first. There are lots of little things that you have to get just right to achieve a beautiful transfer. And that's why I want to take the guesswork out today, so you can skip straight to the fun part, making something beautiful. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of bringing your sublimation shirt ideas to life, from downloading my free designs or using one of your own, to printing and pressing the design onto your shirt for vibrant, long-lasting results. I'll also show you some of my very best tips for avoiding common sublimation errors, like harsh edge marks, bleeding ink, blurry transfers, and shadowy double images, also known as ghosting. You'll end up with a shirt that's not only colorful, but also meaningful, like a piece of wearable inspiration you can make for yourself, gift to a friend, or even create as matching sets for your family or team. To start, find a high-quality image, like a photo from your personal collection. Or head over to my free resource library at jennifermaker.com/785 to grab my free designs. Click Get a Password if you need one, or enter the library. Then search for design number 785 and click on the project file to download everything you need to get started. If you're not sure how to unzip the folder, go to jennifermaker.com/svgs for a quick tutorial. The steps are the same for both SVG and PNG files. Inside the download folder, you'll find 3 PNG files. Unlike the SVG cut files we use with HTV designs, PNG files are high-quality graphic images exploding with color, making them perfect for print sublimation. You can use other image formats for sublimation as well, as long as the pictures are bright and clear. I have 3 PNG images specially designed for our sublimation shirts today: Bloom Without Borders, Change is Fuel, and Stand Out, Stay Strong. I used AI to start my designs on the right track, then edited them to look exactly the way I want. If you're interested in using AI to design beautiful crafts, check out my AI art playbook. My favorite way to prepare designs for print sublimation is Google Docs, which works right in your computer's web browser. You can type in jennifermaker.com/Google Docs to get to the right spot. Google Docs is free for anyone with a Google account. Just sign in or click Create Account to sign up for free. Then open a blank document. Google Docs is made for text, but it's also great for printing full-color designs. Click File, then Page Setup, and set your paper to letter size, or 8.5 by 11 inches with portrait orientation. We'll set all 4 margins to 0 so we can use every inch of the page. That's how we get a full, crisp design later. Then click OK to adjust your settings. Click the title at the top and name your file so you can find it easily later. When you're ready to add your design, go to the Insert menu, select Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Then select and open your file. Images in docs rarely come in at the size we want, so select your image and click Image Options to tweak some settings. Click on Size and Rotation, lock the aspect ratio to keep the proportions even, and set the width to the size you want on your shirt. You can find recommended maximum design sizes for different shirts at jennifermaker.com/t-shirt ruler guide. I'll make my image 8 inches wide to fit on my size large shirt. This leaves plenty of white space around the edges so I can safely tape it later. Click the wrap text icon so you can move the image freely and drag the image to the center of the page. That's it. You've just set up your sublimation print in Google Docs. Now let's get ready to print. Go to File and select Print. Under Destination, choose your sublimation printer. Your regular office printer and standard ink won't work for this. Click the arrow beside More Settings to select Print using System dialog and open your printer's full settings. Choose the highest print quality, select the best matte photo paper setting, and check Mirror or Flip horizontally. This step is critical so your words print in the right direction. Load a sheet of sublimation paper into the printer. If you're unsure which side faces up, check the package or your manual. Once everything is set, click Print. Let the print dry completely before handling it to avoid smudging the ink. The colors will look dull as the print dries, but trust the process. They brighten up beautifully once heat is applied. Your design is ready to transfer, so let's grab our t-shirt and get ready to press. Sublimation works best on 100% polyester shirts because the ink bonds directly to the polyester fibers, so that's what I'm using today. You can use blends, but the lower the polyester content, the more faded your colors will look. I recommend blends with at least 65% polyester for sublimation. Stick to white or very light-colored shirts for the most vibrant designs too. Sublimation ink is transparent and doesn't show up well on darker fabrics without adding extra steps to the process. Before you transfer your design, remember to open a window and turn on a fan to improve your ventilation before pressing, since sublimation ink creates fumes when heated. Set the temperature of your easy press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 196 degrees Celsius, and set the timer for 10 seconds. I'm using the settings that I've found work the best for this type of project, but if you're not sure where to start, check out my sublimation cookbook to get time and temperature settings for tons of sublimation projects. Place your pressing mat on your work surface. Use a lint roller to remove any excess lint or debris from the front that can interfere with the ink. Fold your shirt in half vertically and press it for 10 seconds along the crease to remove moisture, which can also harm your results. Then place your press back on the base. Unfold your shirt and lay it face up on the pressing mat. The center line in the fabric will help align your design. Slide a piece of white cardstock inside the shirt under where your design will be to protect the fabric on the back from sublimation ink. Then smooth out any wrinkles except for the crease to help your design transfer consistently. Now we need to trim our print so we have enough white around the border to tape the print to our shirt without leaving harsh edge marks from the paper. If you need perfectly crisp edges, like for tumblers or flat surfaces, cut with scissors or a paper trimmer. But for shirts, gently tearing around the design gives soft, feathered edges that blend into the fabric and help prevent harsh lines. That's the method I recommend for this project. Gently curl your printed design along its vertical center and crease the white part at the top and bottom of the paper. Be careful not to crease or fold any inked areas of the print, because that can lead to white spots. Use a ruler to measure 2 to 3 inches below the center of the shirt's collar and align the top of the design with the bottom edge of the ruler, ink side down. Or use one of my free t-shirt guides to make this even easier. Line up the creases on the paper with the crease on the shirt to center it perfectly. Use heat-resistant tape on all 4 sides to secure the design to the shirt, smoothing the print and the fabric as you go. Avoid placing tape over the design to prevent discoloration when pressing. If you're using a t-shirt ruler, remove it. Place a fresh piece of protective paper on top of the design. It should be large enough to cover your design and heat press completely, and free of any excess ink that can transfer during heating. I'm using white uncoated butcher paper because it's the best to use for sublimation. Just don't use brown butcher paper or any other colored paper since their dyes can transfer to your project. And avoid any paper with a coating, like wax paper or parchment paper with silicone, since the coating can prevent the paper from absorbing the excess ink. Check that the temperature of your easy press is at 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 196 degrees Celsius, and that the timer is set for 40 seconds. Cover the entire area of your design with the easy press and hold it in place with light, even pressure on both sides of the press for 40 seconds. Keep the iron still. Moving it around can make your colors bleed and lead to a blurry transfer. When the time is up, lift the easy press straight up to avoid ghosting or a shadowy double image. Let the project cool for about 10 seconds so the ink can settle into the fibers. Take out the cardstock from inside the shirt. Remove the butcher paper, tape, and print to reveal the design. You now have a beautiful t-shirt bursting with vibrant colors. And if you'd like to create a custom double-sided shirt, I have a design workshop that shows you exactly how to do that in my advanced program. I'll walk you through each step to customize a full-size design for the back of your shirt in Canva, as well as how to create a personalized pocket-sized design with your name on the front. Find out more at jennifermaker.com/advance. And these shirts are so much fun because you can wear them to brighten your everyday outfit or give them to friends and family as a thoughtful handmade gift or sell them. The best part is that you can use this same process again and again with the other sublimation designs that I've created for you. So you'll always have something fresh and fun to try. And to keep your colors looking bright and beautiful, wait at least 24 hours before washing to allow the ink to fully bond with the fabric. Turn the shirt inside out so the colors are on the inside and use cool water and gentle detergent to wash it. Tumble dry on low or hang it up to air dry. If this sublimation t-shirt project has you excited to try more, my book, Sublimation Made Simple, is the perfect next step. It's filled with easy-to-follow tips and techniques that take the mystery out of sublimation, whether you're decorating wood, fabric, or more. From choosing the right sublimation settings to getting great results with your heat press, this guide helps you craft with confidence and color every step of the way. Check it out at jennifermaker.com/sublimationmadesimple. And I would absolutely love to see the shirts that you made from this tutorial. Share a photo in my sublimation group at jennifermaker.com/sublimation-group. It makes my day to see your projects come to life, truly. And that's it for today. Until next time, this is Jennifer Maker reminding you to craft a life you love.